eGlass is an illuminated, transparent whiteboard with a built-in camera. The camera captures your face and writing in the same picture, allowing you to never have to turn your back on your students. It is a revolutionary new tool we are thrilled to have here at the DLC. eGlass works by allowing instructors to write on the glass normally, with black light making the writing pop. The built-in camera captures the instructor's writing and face, and automatically flips it so that the students can see it correctly. By plugging it into a laptop, you can display images and digital content, and even record your lessons for your students. But while the possibilities are exciting, it can also be intimidating. What software do I need? Why am I not showing up in the videos? How do I even use the thing? Rest assured, these videos are for you. In this tutorial series, I'll walk you through setting up the eGlass, configuring settings, and recording your presentations. By the end of this, you'll be well equipped to use this new tool to teach students across the province. Let's get started.